Hello and welcome, folks. In this video, we will look at one of the hottest stocks in the world of virtual reality right now. Virtual reality is booming. Analysts say that the global market for VR is going to grow from just $16 billion in 2021 to $227 billion in 2029. That's a whopping 45% compounded annual growth rate. The strongest segments that are growing in the industry are virtual gaming, virtual events, video entertainment, retail, and virtual education. As headsets are becoming cheaper and more accessible, more people are trying out the world of virtual reality. In 2022 itself, nearly 64 million Americans used VR in some form or another. But where should you invest your money to get the best bang for your buck in VR? We will give you the answer to that question in this video. We will also tell you how this company is doing in terms of revenues, its key drivers of success, and the risk factors you need to watch out for. Before we go ahead, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons to get more such updates from our channel. And remember, if you would like to get the fastest moving stocks based on world news and current events every morning before the market opens, join our free newsletter, the EliteTrade.club. You can find the link to join in the video's description below. Let's talk about Matterport. This company trades with the ticker symbol MTTR on NASDAQ. Matterport was founded in 2011 and went public in 2021. The company has created a web-based platform for making a 3D digital twin of any space. It also sells hardware for capturing 3D images, including its Pro 2 and Pro 3 ranges of 3D capture cameras and motorized mounts for mobile phones. To make a 3D digital twin, all you need to do is to capture scans using a 3D camera or even a mobile phone camera, and let Matterport software process these images. It creates a powerful replica of the space in no time. Once this model is ready, anyone can explore and interact with it. The owner can tag objects and even add measurements to the space. All of this information gets stored in Matterport's library and can be extracted for later use. Matterport's solution is so powerful that it is considered the industry leader in this space. With the growing need for VR models of real-life spaces in industries like real estate and virtual events, Matterport's solution is looking all set for explosive growth. In fact, its stock went up significantly when Facebook announced its push for Metaverse, because Matterport's applications can become the building blocks for it. The company currently counts 25 Fortune 1000 companies among its clients, including huge names like Airbnb, Choice Hotels, John Deere, Dior, and more. But is it making any money? Absolutely. Matterport is seeing consistent growth in revenues, from just $46 million in 2019 to $136 million in 2022. The management's guidance for this year is between $153 and $169 million, despite slowness in the economy. In the fourth quarter of 2022, it also saw a 40% jump in subscribers. Recently, Matterport has also been diversifying its customer base through new applications. Until some time ago, most of the company's revenue was based on real estate and small and medium businesses. But now, nearly 40% of annual recurring revenues are coming from enterprises and 50% from industries other than real estate. Due to these reasons, analysts are projecting a potential 195% upside on Matterport stock. But before we close the video, let us also talk a bit about the risks related to this company. Matterport's business is still heavily dependent on real estate, which makes it vulnerable to economic slowdowns. The firm also had to undertake write-downs for its Pro 2 cameras in the third quarter of 2022, which shows that demand for these cameras might be falling. And despite the solid revenue growth, Matterport is still a loss-making company. It is expected to remain so for at least the next few quarters. For all these reasons, investors should be very careful about putting their money into this stock. As always, we recommend that you do your research and keep your portfolio diversified to avoid losses. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons to get more updates like this.